Time now for your morning medical news. Eau Claire County has a new dashboard for tracking diseases. You can track everything from respiratory viruses, vaccine-preventable diseases, and many more. Health officials say the dashboard will be updated regularly. A CDC Foundation initiative supported the dashboard's creation. The Powering Up the Pink fundraiser is helping support breast cancer survivors. The event kicks off Steppin' Out in Pink's new year by unveiling the new logo and breast cancer survivor advocate. September's walk will mark 20 years of raising money for cancer research and patients. Organizers say it's a great time to celebrate how far they've come in supporting local breast cancer programs.
We've all been impacted by breast cancer in one way or another, and I think we've all learned that over the last 20 years of doing this together that we can do so many incredible things together.
This year's Steppin' Out in Pink is on September 13th. The walk raised $443,000 last year. A Stanford professor with terminal cancer is using his experience to educate others. He's teaching a class on dying from lung cancer as he battles a terminal diagnosis of the disease. Elizabeth Cook has more.
Dr. Bryant Lynn has been a physician and a professor at Stanford University for almost 2 decades. But this time, he's not only the teacher, he's also the subject.
I'm still getting chemotherapy every 3 weeks.
In 2024, Dr. Lynn was battling a bad cough for months. A CT scan revealed non-small cell adenocarcinoma, never smoker lung cancer.
I ended up having stage 4, which is the most advanced stage.
The news was a dose of cruel irony. Dr. Lynn co-founded the Center for Asian Health Research and Education.
One of our priority areas is lung cancer in people who have never smoked because it disproportionately affects Asians and particularly Asian women.
Within weeks, Dr. Lynn was in a chemotherapy infusion chair, receiving the same treatment he counseled his patients and students on for years. It was here that he saw an opportunity. The class is called From Diagnosis to Dialogue, a doctor's real-time battle with cancer.
Deal with a lot of the ethical considerations.
Isabella Hefferman was one of the lucky ones to get a seat.
I was just really in awe in how well he's able to discuss this and just the bravery.
The 10-week course covers the entire spectrum of cancer, as seen through the eyes of someone who is living it.
And some patients don't want to engage. They don't necessarily want to know all these details.
Each week, a new topic and guest lecturer.
Heart disease and cancer are the leading causes of death in the United States. So this is going to impact somebody you know, maybe yourself.
Dr. Lynn plans to teach his class for as long as he can. The syllabus, like his cancer journey, may change, but his mission remains the same.
It takes a lot of bravery. Good for him.